Hello everyone. In today's session, we will learn particle they. Okay. So in previous session, we have learned particle a. So we will quickly revise particle a as well before we start particle they. Yes. So previous session में हमने particle a डिस्कस किया था. So yeah, particle a, as I told you, particle a is used after place. So to which place the person is traveling, you can add particle a after that. Okay. Suppose Gakko is school, Gakko e ikimasu. So it means I go to school. Okay. That time I told after place you can add particle a. Particle a is specially used when you travel to that direction simply. Okay. This is just a quick revision of the previous session. Okay. Now today's session we will learn particle they. Okay. So Japanese particle they, there are various use of particle they. Okay. Today we will learn particle they which is after vehicle they. Okay. Let's take example. So particle they is used after vehicle. So the vehicle which we use to travel, we can put particle they after that vehicle. Simple. Okay. Let's take ikimas means go, kimas is come, khairimas is return, khayoimas is commit. Okay. So particle they we can put to do these actions. Okay. Let me show you the Excel file. So it will be more easy to see. Yes. So here I will take the previous example. So यहाँ पे particle they का explanation I will write. Okay. So for that I just copy paste the previous example. Okay. So place particle they is used after vehicle. मतलब vehicle के बाद आएगा particle they. Okay. So जो भी vehicle हम लोग यूज करते हैं to travel. Okay. उसके बाद particle they we can put. Okay. Let's take हमारा पहला sentence है Gakko e ikimasu. It means I go to school. Gakko e ikimasu. It means I go to school. But let's take while to go to school, I go by train. So here I can put vehicle. Suppose densha. Densha means train. Okay. Densha de. So densha is our vehicle. Densha de gakko e ikimasu. So it means I go to school by train. Okay. So this is the use of particle they. पार्टिकल दे इज यूज विचेवर व्हीकल, आप जो भी व्हीकल यूज करते हो जाने के लिए. सो हिंदी में इट इज डेन्शा दे मीन्स ट्रेन से. ओके. मराठी मध्ये ट्रेन ने. सो दिस वे यू कैन रिलेट इन योर ओन लँग्वेज. ओके. लेट्स टेक सपोज दाईगाकू ए इकिमास. दाईगाकू ए इकिमास मीन्स आई गो टू college, but which vehicle? Suppose I use bicycle, then I will say Jitensha. Bicycle is Jitensha. Hmm? Jitensha day. Okay. It means I go to university by cycle. Okay. या bicycle. Okay. Vehicle के बाद. Next is Kaisha e ikimasu. Kaisha e ikimashita means I came to company. But which vehicle we use? Suppose I came to company by bus. Then Japanese में bus is basu. Basu de kaisha e ikimasu. I came to company by bus. Okay, this is the next example. Suppose jimusho e ikimasu. Jimusho is office. I go to office, and which vehicle I use? Suppose I use car. Okay, so car there is a word kuruma. Kuruma de. Kuruma de means kuruma se. I go to office by car. Okay. या सो यहाँ पे कार से ऑफिस जाता हूँ या मराठी मध्ये कारने ऑफिसला जातो. सो आय यूज बाय कार. गॉट इट. निहोन ए इकिमास. निहोन ए इकिमास मीन्स आई गो टू जापान. सो हाउ डू वी गे सपोज हिकोकी दे. हिकोकी दे मीन्स एरोप्लेन. आई गो टू जापान बाय एरोप्लेन. ओके. Then suppose Indoe Khairimas. Indoe Khairimas, suppose I return by ship. So Pune de Indoe Khairimas. I return to India by ship. Okay. So this is the major use. मतलब जो भी व्हीकल से हम लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं we can tell it by using particle they. Okay. You can put particle a after vehicle name. Vehicle they which we use to travel. Simple. So that is the main use of particle they. Yeah. Of course, I will update the upcoming video on particle to. So if you're watching this on YouTube, so please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimashita.